that's mentionable can be made more manageable. Good morning, respected judges. This is Zoya Qureshi from St. Raphael's Higher Secondary School, Indore, standing before you, expressing my views on the topic, importance of emotional health for a happy life. Emotional health, as we all know, is an integral part of human life. It helps us to live a happy, healthy and a balanced life. It is a key factor for a healthy relationship and also helps you to cope up with adversity. People with strong emotional health have a strong command over their feelings, their behavior and anxiety. They are able to cope up with all difficult circumstances. Strong emotional health helps you to accept the changes and helps your emotions to become digestible in your life. Being emotionally healthy does not mean that you are happy always. It means that you have a strong command over the negativity around you. Lack of emotional health can create many pessimistic effects on your life. For example, poorly managed bleak emotions can create chronic stress, which in turn depresses your immune system, which depletes the synthesis of the chemical which is required for happiness. And then the ultimate result is depression or suicide. Therefore, steps must be taken to prevent all these happenings and to live a good emotional life. For example, socialize with people around you, not on social media but in reality. Feel free to talk about your emotional health to your relatives and your family members. Beat stress, strive for excellence, and last but not the least, cultivate happiness in every small moment of life. This is because life is short. We don't have to make it shorter. We must always remember that we have to strive through some bad days to earn the best days. Thank you.